So why do I use some Linux as a Windows user? Well, I like to use Ubuntu, what you see here, because I like to tinker and play with things and use the terminal sometimes. For example, this click to minimize feature that is so basic to Windows and Linux, well, this does not work in Ubuntu. You have to use the terminal command. I don't mind using the terminal command when I'm in the mood to test things, and this is why I use Ubuntu. Ubuntu is okay, but really not for beginners. Next up, I love my Chromebook. If I'm looking for just pure speed, never have to use the terminal, just click and go, just to be fast, it's hard to beat a Linux-powered Chromebook. These machines are just simply amazing. If I'm looking for a light, but maybe not too light, I like to use Linux Mint. This is another one that's great for Windows users who have never tinkered with Linux. This is one of those machines where you maybe have to use the terminal once or twice, but it's not hard, and that's it. If you like a click and go operating system, as it were, check out Linux Mint. I like to use Lubuntu. This is the one I dual boot with Ubuntu on two separate SSDs. It's light, it's functional. It gets me to where I want to go. It just works. And on a 13-year-old computer like this one, Lubuntu is just fantastic. And finally, I love to use Windows 11 because it reminds me just how wonderful some Linux can be. That's it. Why do you use Linux as a Windows user?